My name is Rishabh Gupta. Welcome to another Jump Pro tutorial. This time we are going to learn partial side swing. So let's begin. Before I talk about this jump pro trick, I will tell you how to perform side swing. To perform side swing, first of all, you have to decide which hand is going to swing the rope and which hand is going to act as an anchor. As I am right-handed, I'm going to start with the right hand to swing the rope, and my left hand will act as an anchor. Let me show you how it looks. We'll start swinging the rope like this. My right hand is going to be at the top and my left hand is going to be at the bottom, and I am forming infinity with my right hand to do it. As I started with my right hand to swing the rope, I will open up from left side to complete this jump rope trick. Now I'm going to swing the rope using my left hand, and my right hand is going to act as an anchor. Let me show you how it looks. We'll start swinging like this, and my left hand is at the top and my right hand is at the bottom. Now I'm swinging the rope using my left hand, so I will open up from the right side to complete this jump rope trick. Like this. Now you might have noticed I faced slight difficulty when I started to swing the rope using my left hand, and that is because I am right-handed and I am not ambidextrous. Most of the people face the same difficulty. They are able to perform side swing gracefully on one side compared to the other side, and because we are not ambidextrous, and if you want to do that, if you want to perform side swing perfectly on both sides, we have to practice it on both sides. Now to perform partial side swing, you just have to follow two simple steps. Step 1, we have to learn how to swing the rope on one side. Let me show you how to do it. We'll start swinging the rope on our left side like this and let it hit our feet. Practice this as many times as possible. Since I'm swinging the rope using my right hand, my left hand is just acting as an anchor. Now in the second step, I just have to add a jump to complete this jump rope trick. Let me show you how it looks. And that's how you perform partial side swing on your left side. Now let me show you how to perform it on the right side. We'll again start with the basic posture, and we'll swing the rope using our left hand like this. And that's how we perform partial side swing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, find it useful. I'll see you in the next video.